So the next problem is problem number 3. A car travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and the next 30 km at a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. So find the average speed. Okay. Solution here, first one. So as you know, just wait. Yes. So here a car travels 30 km from A to B and B to C 30 km. So exactly of 30 km, 30 km. First A to B it covers 40 km per hour speed. Next B to C 20 km per hour speed. So the car goes from A to B at a distance 30 km, speed 40 km per hour. Average speed equal to the formula total distance divided by total time. So total distance D equal to D1 plus D2. So D equal to 30 km plus 30 km, D equal to 60 km. So we found total distance. So we need total time. So from the given data we have to find the time for separate case. Okay. For the first one we have to find time T1 for A to B, what is the time? For B to C, what is the time? From the given data. Okay. So first one, the case 1. Case 1, speed equal to distance divided by time. So first A to B, D1 I have taken and time T1 I have taken. So time equal to distance divided by speed. Okay. So T1 equal to 30 divided by 40. If we cancel 0, so it will come 3 by 4 hour. In the case 2, same way, substitute the formula. Time is equal to 3 by 2 hour after substituting the formula. So find the total time. So total time T equal to T1 plus T2, T equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So if we take LCM of 4 and 2, we are getting LCM as 4. Okay, change the denominator as a 4. After changing that value, we will get 9 by 4th hour. This is the total time. So substitute the formula. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. 60 divided by 9 by 4. So automatically the 9 by 4 will come as reciprocal. So 4 by 9. If we cancel, 3 3s are 9, 20 3s are 60. 20 into 4 divided by 3. If we cancelled everything, speed average, that means average speed equal to 26.66 km per hour. Okay, next problem. So in the following problem, so here a train travels at a speed of 60 km per hour for 0.52 hour, at 30 km per hour for the next 0.24 hour, and then 70 km per hour for the next 0.71 hour. What is the average speed of the train? Okay, first one we will see that. Just look at that. First one, first we have to draw that free body diagram. First the train starts from A and reach B and then C and then D. So first A to B it goes 60 km per hour in 0.52 hour time. Then B to C it goes 30 km per hour and the time taken is 0.24 hour. And the third one, C to here C to D equal to 70 km per hour and the time taken is 0.71 hour. Okay, we have to split as 3 cases. First case, speed equal to distance divided by time, speed equal to D1 divided by T1. So distance equal to speed into time. So S1 represent for first case A1, that means A to B. So D1 equal to 60 km per hour into 0.52 hour. So R cancel. So remaining value multiple that one, 60 into 0.52. So if you multiply that means 6 into 5.2 for one decimal point, 10 cancel. So D1 equal to 31.2 km. Next for D2. So for D2 same way, distance equal to speed into time. So D2 equal to S2 into T2. So 30 km per hour into 0.24 hour. So D2 equal to 3 into 2.4. So D2 equal to 7.2 km. So next case 3 here. So D3 equal to S3 into T3. So D3 that means distance in third. That means C to D. So 70 into 0.71, if you multiply it, means 49.7 kilometer. So finally average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. So 31.2 plus 7.2 plus 49.7, 0.52 plus 0.24 plus 0.71 represent total time. So already they gave, here they gave no time for A to B, what's the time, B to C, C to D. So everything you have to substitute and add the value. So finally you are getting 88.1 divided by 1.47. So in the denominator you have to multiply with the 100, you will get the whole number. After dividing this value, we are getting 59.931 kilometer per hour. So this is your final answer. Okay, today what we have seen, so based on the concept of distance and displacement and average speed, we did some problems. So I hope you all understand that problems. So with those who cannot understand, so please go through that previous concepts, distance, displacement, everything, and then solve the problem step by step. Easily you can solve. So this is the today's session. So thank you all. So we'll meet again. Thank you.